How to delete invite message on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the Instagram app, you simply want to go ahead and log into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and simply tap on this chat icon at the top right corner. Now from here, select the conversation where you would like to delete the invite message on Instagram. Once you do that, when you tap onto the message, it will not show you to delete the message for everyone. So what you want to do is simply tap on view profile and tap on this three dot and simply tap on block. Go ahead and tap on block and then tap on block again. Once you tap on block, head back to the chat section and then you'll find an option that says delete. Go ahead and tap onto it and then simply tap on delete. Once you do that, you'll then be able to delete invite message on Instagram. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.